A woman spends 500 days alone in a cave. How extreme isolation can alter your sense of time. Well, I'd imagine. Your sense of time is so attached to like environmental characteristics, night, day, night, all your rhythms and such, your sleeping, even your appetite. So you're in isolation in a cave. What markers do you have?
Yeah, just being alone in the dark. But this surprised me. She thought she was living in there for 160 days, but it ended up being 500 days in reality.
The time slowed down.
Yeah. There was no sense of day or night, no cycle. She was living alone. She was able to just exercise, write, read books.
Okay, what type of cave?
Paint.
What type of cave is it? What are you doing down there? Can you show me a picture of this cave?
Yeah, there's some footage here.
What's going on here? What you got some lights? What's the food doing? What's going on here?
Yeah,
500 days. It's over a year. What's going on here, Will?
they don't really tell too much about the living situation. But I'm guessing the food gets transported into the cave, and
It's not really isolation, is it?
Well, I mean,
hey, how you doing? You got the UPS?
Maybe there's like just a track of like food coming in and out.
Conveyor belt?
Maybe, yeah. Yeah, they don't really describe in this article.
Okay, I got a lot of questions. Obviously, I think I have too many questions for you.
How
Will.
she bathes as well.
I know you don't want. I know you don't want anything to do with my questions.
I can make it up though. I can try to fill in the gaps.
Well, anyway, the point is that she was pretty much isolated, and you can see what cave life looks like over here.
She was just kind of working out.
Pretty wild stuff. Yeah. I mean, even if you're getting the food transported in, even if you, it doesn't change you're going nuts in there.
This is a bad still. But, she felt fine. She felt great. She liked the alone time and wasn't aware of like the time or didn't feel stressed at all. It was just like the strange thing for her was like not, like doesn't care about time.
Yeah, it doesn't. Yeah, what does it matter?
It just kind of every day just kind of strings together.
It's a one long day.
Yeah.
You sleep, you wake up, it looks the same. You sleep, you wake up, it looks the same. So did she ever leave the cave? Like go for a sniff outside?
Did she ever?
Like during the 500 days or no? That's against the rules.
I don't think so.
Okay.
But she might have sneaked out. I don't know. Who knows?
Yeah.
Right?
Dopamine detox, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, somebody wants heart on my sleeve. Well, there's some requests going on in there.
Okay. We'll have it at the end.
You're getting some requests
The
here
house
for
remix.
AI Drake. I understand.